Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I want to show you guys an anti-aging product that I have been obsessed with the last few days. This kind of makes what I've been doing to my skin all these years. It just simplifies it. Let me show you really quick what it is. So I got it in the mail from Amazon. This is a Jade Roller. You guys, I know you've seen this all over social media. This is like, I was like, what the heck is this thing? They're rolling a rock all over their face. Anyways, so I got this off from Amazon. This is by Gendra. This is an anti-aging massage tool. Okay, why do I love this? Why is it so awesome? Let me go ahead and just read super quick, just some main basic things on what it tells you when you open it up. I'm not gonna read all of it to you. I'm just gonna read what I think is the most important.
The procedure consists in pressure massage, which acts on the lymphatic chain. It is a therapy that proposes the elimination of all toxins not assimilated by the body during the process of cellular synthesis. The lymphatic drainage and deficient blood circulation cause fat accumulation, loss of elasticity, of connective elasticity, causing the skin to have imperfections and skewers.
Okay, so what that pretty much just saying is, like, if you don't massage your face, you don't have the blood circulation coming up to the top of the skin, so you kind of lose that elasticity. This is why for so many years when I put on a lotion, I do this. I slap my skin. I'm not going to slap my skin because I'm going to turn really red right now. And I want to show you guys how red I'm going to turn with this roller. Okay, so I know for a fact, 100% guys, that when you slap the back of your leg, especially if you have like cellulite or bumps or anything in the back of your leg, when you slap the back of your leg, within a few weeks, if you do this constantly, slap it with the paddle brush on the back of your leg, in a few weeks, your legs will not have all of those dimples and all that cellulite because the blood comes up to the surface and kind of just runs through it like a river, washing it out. This is how I would explain this bad boy. Okay, so yes, it is just a rock. And yes, if you had a rock, you could do this, but you're gonna be like dropping the rock and it's hard to control. On this, it makes it so easy, and this is, trust me, this is just a few dollars. It's not gonna break your bank. So let me show you guys. When the blood flow comes up to the top of my skin, I turn, because I'm very fair, extremely red. Now check this out. So all you do, and you know what? It's actually super soothing because it's cold. For some reason, this turns like cold when it's just sitting there, and it's hot outside. Look how red my forehead is turning. Look at that. Look at all that blood flow coming up. I do not want saggy skin. I do not want like looking bloated. So you just kind of take this and massage it over, right? Now imagine having a rock in your hand that was nice and smooth and round. It would be kind of hard to do this much this quick. It is a little squeaky. Sounds like a little mouse. You guys can see. But look at this. Look at that. And the fact that it has this tiny little, this is where I've been getting some little tiny fine lines. It has the little tiny one on here. Look at this. Look at that, how I can just kind of get in all those little crevices. Take it on top of the eye. This is a fantastic way to stimulate your skin. Especially the turkey gobbler. But I'm just telling you guys, like, I have been obsessed with this. This is, let me use this side because this side's loud and you might not be able to hear me, and the little ball squeaks too. Anyways, this is honestly, like so soothing, so relaxing, like, and I know that I'm helping my skin get rid of any extra liquid. I know that I'm bringing that blood flow up to the top of my skin. It is just amazing. I think it's like, don't quote me. I think it's like $15 on Amazon. I am in love. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and try these eye pads that it came with and see if this is worth it as well. There's quite a bit of liquid. There's quite a bit of liquid on these little bad boys. I'm gonna go ahead and go under the eye first to stimulate this blood flow. Just look at that, how red you turn. That's a good thing. We want to turn that red. Oh, be very, very careful with these pads. They are very delicate. It's almost like rubber. So I've been doing a lot of Korean skincare lately. And they have this type of mask with the Korean skincare. Maybe I put this one on backwards. They have this kind of like rubber type of mask. You guys can see how delicate it is. And I've noticed that it's amazing compared to like a paper mask, these rubber masks, because it doesn't dry down on the skin. It just kind of, this feels good. So let's see if we can go over with the Jade Roller. I don't know if you're supposed to. No, I don't think you're supposed to. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I've been doing this every single day. I kind of just leave it on my countertop, and when I walk by, I pick it up and do this. I mean, even if you're just laying in bed reading a book, you could be doing this. This is so, so awesome. Now I don't actually have to be like slapping my skin to bring that blood flow up. I don't have to be using such drastic measures to get that blood flow to come up so I don't get wrinkles. And then I have elasticity. A good way, just so you guys know, to check see if you have good elasticity in your skin is, can you grab your skin and pull it off? See, I can't grab my skin and pull it off, but when I come here, nope, I still can't grab it and pull it off. A lot of times you can check, especially on your arm area, if you cannot, look, so when I grab my skin, you see, I'm trying to grab like the thinnest, the top layer of the skin, right? But no, I always grab like this big chunk that's thick, right? But if you can actually grab the top layer of your skin and pull it off, which a lot of people can, let's see, no, see, it's thick. If you can grab the top layer of your skin and actually do that, that's telling you right there, that's the biggest sign that you are losing the elasticity to your skin. It's not firm, the connective tissues are not together. And you do not want that to happen to your face because it's nearly impossible to reverse the signs. Honestly, if you have that type of skin right now, I would totally recommend getting this tool because pressure massage actually might help your skin or save your skin from becoming like super, super saggy or super, super. I mean, you've seen senior citizens that have like the skin that just kind of droops and it's flabby. We don't want that. We want to kind of always keep our skin tight. We want to keep those connective tissues together. We want to use sunscreen, just so you guys know. That is the #1 anti-aging thing you could be using right now. Besides, I think this is amazing, but the sunscreen is going to stop the sun from damaging your skin. When your skin gets damaged, it gets less and less elasticity. And for you guys that don't know what elasticity is, think of a rubber band. When you pull a rubber band, boom, it snaps right back into place. That's what we want with our skin. We want to have that boom, it snaps right back into place. When you lose the elasticity, it's like you pull the rubber band and it stays loose. We don't want that. We want to always have our skin nice, nice and tight. I honestly, truly, God honest truth, love this product. It does not break your bank. It is natural. It is homeopathic. It is going to help us stay young and keep our skin looking great. I will post a link down below to this product if you guys are interested in it. I love it. I give this a 5-star. The company, once again, is Gendra. This is such a cool product. It's such a great way to kind of simplify our lives and keep our skin looking good. You guys know me. If it's anti-aging or anything beauty related, mostly anti-aging this year, I'm going to try it. And I give this product a total thumbs up. And just so you guys know, like when I was telling you that they come with so much liquid on, I still have liquid dripping from this, as you can see. They come with so much liquid. Look how much liquid is still left in the packaging right here. Look at that. You can see how much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these off, put them right back on here, and stick them right back in the package. Because you know what? If I can use it twice, I will use it twice. Hopefully you give this video a total thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.